In this video, we're going to talk about the secret to building a successful cash cow video empire on YouTube. If you're looking to create a sustainable income stream from YouTube, then you need to know the key strategies for building a successful video empire. So let's get started. Secret 1: Consistency is key. The first secret to building a successful cash cow video empire is consistency. You need to post videos on a regular schedule and stick to it. This helps your audience know when to expect new content from you, and it also helps with your search engine optimization. Secret 2: Build a strong brand. Your brand should be unique and easily recognizable. This includes your channel name, logo, and video style. You want to create a cohesive experience for your audience that they will remember and come back to. Secret 3: Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is another key secret to building a successful cash cow video empire. This means responding to comments, hosting Q&A sessions, and creating content that encourages conversation. By engaging with your audience, you can build a loyal fan base that will help you grow your channel. Secret 4: Diversify your content. It's important to diversify your content if you want to build a successful cash cow video empire. This means creating different types of videos like tutorials, reviews, and vlogs. By diversifying your content, you can attract a wider audience and keep them engaged. Secret 5: Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other creators is a secret to building a successful cash cow video empire. This helps you reach a new audience and also provides a fresh perspective on your content. You can collaborate with other creators by doing guest appearances on their channels or by creating joint videos together. Secret 6: Outsource to freelancers. As your channel grows, you may find it difficult to create high-quality content at a rapid pace. This is where outsourcing to freelancers comes in. You can delegate tasks like video editing, graphic design, and research to professionals who can deliver high-quality work. This can help you create better content more efficiently and free up your time to focus on other aspects of your channel. And there you have it. Those are the secrets to building a successful cash cow video empire on YouTube. Remember, consistency is key, build a strong brand, engage with your audience, diversify your content, collaborate with other creators, and outsource to freelancers. By following these secrets, you can build a successful video empire that generates revenue and grows your channel.